From now on, you will not only be able to take photos, but also capture the deepest details of memories, the dance of light and shadows, and every emotion perfectly. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out the best cameras for beginners in photography. These cameras are not only affordable, but they'll also help you capture high-quality shots, covering all your needs as a beginner. But that's not all. These cameras will let your imagination run wild, allowing you to capture every moment perfectly. Ready to take the next step and decide which model will take you further? Then let's dive into the details. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Olympus OM-D-EM10 Mark IV. Alright, let's dive into the Olympus OM-D-EM10 Mark IV, one of the best budget-friendly models in Olympus's DSLR style Micro Four Thirds lineup. Trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. Wondering why? Let me tell you. If you're just getting started with photography, but also want more control and a high-quality build, this camera could be perfect for you. First up, it's got a 20-megapixel 4/3 sensor that not only lets you capture stunning photos, but also brings out impressive details in every shot. Plus, the compact body comes with image stabilization, so even in low light or with moving subjects, you can still get fantastic results. One of my favorite features is the screen. It's touch-sensitive and tilts downward, which is super handy for vloggers or anyone who likes experimenting with different shooting angles. And let's not forget, this camera shoots in 4K, so your videos can have a more professional look. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. Once you try this camera, you won't want to put it down. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is excellent in terms of image quality, and the best part is that it allows you to shoot both with the optical viewfinder and the live view on the back screen. This gives you flexibility, allowing users to choose between shooting with a classic viewfinder or more modern live view from the screen. This makes your shooting experience much more fun and easier. If you're looking for something more compact and battery life isn't a big deal for you, the Canon EOS M50 might be a better option. However, the SL3 feels more solid in hand and provides a more comfortable grip. So it sits more comfortably in your hand and offers a more professional feel. The SL3 isn't the best choice for video recording. If your phone already delivers decent video quality, in most cases, your phone will be much more practical. It's also not ideal for fast action shots or advanced uses requiring very detailed manual settings. But remember, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 isn't designed for these kinds of needs. It's a great choice for beginners and anyone looking to get into photography. The user-friendly guide mode and simple interface prove that. Sony ZV-E10. I'm here with the Sony ZV-E10, the ultimate solution for content creators and vloggers. You've never seen such an effective option before. Whether you're just starting your vlogging journey or looking to upgrade your current gear, this camera is perfect for you. Let's dive into the details. This beast comes with a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and supports interchangeable lenses. So you get the convenience of a compact camera while unleashing your creativity with different lenses. From the moment you pick it up, you can tell it's made with content creators in mind. One of my favorite features is this fully articulated touchscreen. Switching to selfie mode or capturing creative angles has never been this easy. Vloggers say goodbye to the hassle of wondering, did I frame this shot right? And of course, let's not forget the image quality. With 4K video recording, you can create content that's crystal clear. If you're making videos for YouTube, this level of quality will definitely make you stand out. Canon EOS R10. Finally, we're talking about the Canon EOS R10, the amazing entry-level mirrorless camera. Why? Because even though it launched almost 2 years ago, it's still one of the top choices for beginners and photography enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details. First off, this camera is super user-friendly. Whether you're just starting out with photography or you're more of a hobbyist, the autofocus performance and fast continuous shooting speeds on the EOS R10 will blow you away, especially when it comes to capturing fast-moving subjects. There's a reason the EOS R10 has stayed a favorite for so long. It offers great overall value, with massive potential for beginners and incredible versatility for hobbyists. If you're looking to step up your photography game or dive into it for the first time, the EOS R10 might just be the perfect camera for you. So what do you think? Does this Canon model meet your expectations? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this. See you in the next video.